After a great workout, your muscles aren't just tired, they're hungry. Hungry for nutrients that help them recover, repair, and grow stronger. One of the most important parts of recovery is protein timing, when and how you consume protein after exercise. Taking care of your post-workout nutrition isn't just about building muscle. It's about helping your body heal, balancing hormones, and keeping your energy and mood stable. Consistent recovery habits like protein intake, hydration, and sleep are what turn fitness routines into long-term health transformations. Poor post-workout habits can limit your progress. Common mistakes include skipping meals after workouts, eating too little protein throughout the day, relying on processed or sugary snacks post-exercise, dehydration or lack of electrolytes, inadequate sleep, and chronic stress over training without enough recovery. Over time, these factors can lead to fatigue, muscle loss, hormone imbalance, and stalled progress, even if you're exercising regularly. Neglecting recovery and nutrition can contribute to several conditions. Overtraining syndrome, which causes chronic fatigue and poor performance, sarcopenia, or gradual muscle loss over time, metabolic slowdown, reducing fat loss, potential injury risk due to poor muscle repair, weakened immune system, leading to frequent illness. Proper protein timing supports immune health, muscle maintenance, and faster tissue repair. You might not be recovering well if you notice persistent soreness or pain, slow muscle gain or strength progress, low energy, irritability, or fatigue, sleep disturbances, frequent illness or inflammation, increased appetite or sugar cravings. These are often signs that your body isn't getting enough post-workout nutrition, especially protein. Here's how to fix it. Eat protein within 30 to 60 minutes after working out. This is often called the anabolic window, when your muscles are most receptive to nutrients. Combine protein with carbs to replenish glycogen and boost recovery. Example: chicken and rice, eggs with toast, or a smoothie with protein powder and fruit. Aim for 20 to 40 grams of high-quality protein after exercise, enough to stimulate muscle protein synthesis. Hydrate properly. Muscles recover best when the body is well hydrated. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Growth hormone and tissue repair peak during rest. To keep your body strong and resilient, maintain a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, complex carbs, and healthy fats. Stay consistent with workouts, but allow recovery days. Manage stress to prevent cortisol from breaking down muscle. Avoid skipping post-workout meals, make them part of your routine. Schedule regular checkups to monitor nutrient levels and overall health. Examples of great post-workout proteins: whey or plant-based protein shakes, Greek yogurt, chicken breast or tofu, tuna, salmon, or eggs. The concept of protein timing became popular in the 1990s after studies on muscle protein synthesis showed that consuming protein right after exercise significantly increased recovery and muscle growth. Modern research shows that total daily protein is key, but consuming some soon after training still gives a recovery advantage. The anabolic window might be broader than 30 minutes, but eating protein close to your workout remains one of the simplest ways to maximize results. If you consistently skip protein after workouts, you may experience slower muscle growth or even muscle loss, weakened metabolism, longer recovery times, higher injury risk, reduced energy and performance over time. Poor recovery habits can undermine all your training efforts. Remember, your progress doesn't end when your workout does. It begins there. Giving your body the right nutrition at the right time is a sign of respect for your hard work. Protein timing isn't just a fitness hack, it's part of taking care of your future health. Make post-workout recovery a non-negotiable part of your routine, and your body will reward you with strength, energy, and endurance. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult a healthcare or nutrition professional for personalized advice. Stay consistent. Train smart. Fuel your success.